Alright guys, so I am about to go outside. I'm going to Footloose. Makeup of the night. Very nice, very cute, very chill. And I don't know if y'all watch my video where I was doing this neat little 30-inch custom ponytail. This is what it's looking like. Really simple vibes. I may wear flats because I'm not going to be that type of struggle bunny outside tonight. I am very sorry. I get like a new chocolate brown heels from Fashion Nova, and I really wanted to wear it with this dress, but not tonight, chica, not tonight. Anyways guys, I'll see you outside like I'm in the place. Pretty. It's the next day and I am currently on my way to the beach again, and yes, I am going to Bob Marley Beach again.
Yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah.
The vlog. So last time y'all saw me, I was at Footloose, and my oh my, I had a grand time. The music was everything. I don't remember the selector them did a play. I think ZJ Liquid was there and some other selectors, but whoever the selectors were that played on that played at Footloose on Saturday, good job. I feel like everybody was dancing and just enjoying themselves. No bad vibes. People were out with their friends. There was a lot of couples, you know, and the crowd was a mixture of like young people and like big people at the same time. So I'm put on my seatbelt. Hold on guys, safety first. I'm not like you're the nice. Yeah, so as I said, the crowd was a mixture of big people and like young people, but honestly the vibes was great. I'm enjoying myself. I initially wanted to go to Reggae Falls, but we're gonna save the adventure day for another time and for a vlog to itself. This one I see right now is a mixture of one bag of Ray and one bag of tea, so we're gonna save the Reggae Falls vlog as a solo vlog. The place just hot guys. I can't bother with the heat, so every opportunity when I get to go to beach, I'm telling you I'ma do it.
Let's get it, let's go.
I'm gonna stop by my home in Kingston and pick up some swimwear, because last Sunday I did not have any bikinis over here. I'm gonna better for go home to none, so I'm gonna make a stop in my Kingston home and pick up a bikini. I should also be meeting up with my friend Jessie. Y'all know her, she's been on my vlog several times. I don't know if that's going to happen, but if we meet up y'all will see that. So it's just going to be like a link up on the beach, and also it's my friend's birthday, so you know it's gonna be a vibe right through. So sooner or later, bye.
Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now.
Guys, so I'm finally in Kingston. Went by my house, picked up some stuff, picked up some clothes and thing and bikini to go by the beach. Disappointing news, my friend told me that she have something come up and she can't bother come on the beach, so it's just gonna be the regular part, which is fine. Me did I go show when I go home, but there's so much was happening and I never get to do that. But yeah, I got what I wanted and now I'm heading to the beach. I just want to keep on updated and make you know what my Sunday is looking like today, okay?
On the floor, never seen a crew so fly.
stopping in KFC because I'm hungry and I didn't cook today because today is Sunday. But I don't know to say, oh, the KFC them and get that something here now, which is cool. But what I really understand, why is KFC giving you these things to make the orders, but when you make the order, you still have to go to the cashier and hand her the paper and make her notice. It's like you're making the order 2 times. I don't really get it. If I get it, I can too. But anyway, KFC stop, period. No food now cooked today. And I don't think I want to eat any fish either. Because I get some chicken. Oh, man, I didn't eat the show now. Or if it's fancy, but I'm learning this little beach dress and slides. Because it's a comfort.
We taking over the town. Taking over. Watching.
Food. The love of my life.
Throw it back for a stack. Make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for me.
Hello. Guys, them have everything from the beach today, you know. They all have roots. I want to get star fruit pineapple. Moringa. Juice moringa. Moringa. You know moringa? The thing with the seeds inside? What is that, the leaf? Because everything on the moringa is good. From the flowers to the leaves to the seeds, it's good. Yeah, you can't Google it.
No. It can cure people who have acid reflux. With acid reflux. That are heartburn. Yeah.
That's star fruit pineapple.
So guys, them have natural juice from the beach and tea. Today is really full on the beach though. Well, I come here all the time and the beach is not that full. But it's a vibe. This week even have more people than last week. But just me, but over here fuller than last week.
With all this paper I can buy. Wanna see you moving now. I can do this all night. Yeah, it ain't even a try. Black truck pulling up to the back door. They already know what we came for. Got the whole section going crazy, that's a fact though. She a bad thing, so on the main floor. She already know it, yes she know it, yes she know it. She a bad thing, and she ain't afraid to show it. Yes she know it, yes she know it, yes she know it, yes she know it. She gon'
People bring their dogs and them come over here, come vibe with them dog and thing. So if y'all started coming back to Bob Marley Beach because y'all watch my vlog, let me know. And y'all know we ain't gonna do nothing without a little sunscreen. Guys, I brought my book. I'm so happy that I went back home because I've been reading this book, but through my day on my yard, I never get to finish it. When I went home just now, I make sure say I take out my book so I can finish reading. It's about a little rat family. It's called The Tale of Desperate and it's really, really nice. So while I'm on the beach laying out, I'm going to definitely get some reading on. Yes, actually no guys, when I put it on my sunscreen.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? When you look up at you, I made that doggy side, puppy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't
The feet and I can't say when I touch the water this time. Yeah, the water feels so nice. But I'm grab my swimsuit, so I know beach in a dress this week. You know the gears, the proper gears. A well sunscreen down, so you know. Me I go back in the water, you know. Me I go back. Yeah, that was just the first dip. Yeah, tonight me like a kid in a candy store. Me I run up and down in the water to be and base something. Me so come back.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by
definitely just a chill vlog, guys. Like, I don't know mega people watch, right? Like, if y'all watched the last video, y'all saw me people watching. When I come to the beach, I like sit down and just look at everything and everyone. I don't know, it's kind of like therapeutic to my mind. But I don't think nothing negative. I just feel like a picture tell 1,000 words. So we can sit down right and just have people watch and create like my own stories. I like doing it. I don't know.
We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
I don't know. I feel like I've found somewhere that the vibe is just great for me, you know? Older people just got them own thing going on, yeah, man. It's a vibe, it's cool. I am literally meeting a lot of nice people, you know? People were more for reasons, and that's good. Big up to the two lovely, pretty females that y'all saw, you know? Yeah, big up to you guys. Yeah, I want to go in, but the sun is scorching hot, guys. Oh my, sun ablaze, you know? Sun ablaze, man. They also have security on the beach. I mean, you know, anything can happen anywhere, but at least them have some type of organization going on. Hello, babies. Nice Rastafarian kids too. Some real Rasta. Come on, not a Rasta man. Come on, we'll be able to see the real Rasta, but the real locks. So cute. Just like just going to the water again. Now I'm gonna walk the beach a little bit just to see what is going on. And comes out tomorrow. Oh, by tomorrow. There is sun.
Hello everybody, my name is Opal and the Julie. Follow me on Instagram. So this is my store, no window, no door. I sell toys, arena, Jamaican shots, male shots, female shots, Bob Marley suit, some scarf over here. I sell dresses.
One-stop shop, girls. This is good, man.
Then I have cover up for the ladies.
Yeah, this is
a lot of cover up. Now I have water shoes to rent.
I put in the money and come spend.
For rent and for sale.
How much you rent the shoes for?
$500 the whole day.
Oh.
This now the cup, keyring, fridge sticker.
Yeah. The shop full, guys. The
Weed
shop
grinder. See? For the weed girls, them and the wheel man, them have t-shirts. Ladies, you can buy a jacket for your foreign man. Buy a
When I
jacket
say
for
one love, oh.
One Love Bob Marley. One Love Bob Marley.
One love. No more anywhere here, one love.
Now this one, this can't done. Let me show you.
Can't do.
No, Joe.
Can't do.
No. How far this time we go with it now again?
Where go? Can't done.
Them are rip it on Instagram when them come up on TikTok.
Oh, they should have the style. Have the style. Oh, them style.
You're going, like you're going people because I'm going faster. Come up at Marley Beach, they're here every day from 9 o'clock go straight back to 6:30.
Yeah.
Out of Bull Bay, 1E.
Yeah.
They have some nice runners.
Gosh, no, don't know.
You know, a little nice short suit represent the country. See, I have something else well knitted. Everything we need. All belt. We have everything.
Guys, if you want to come and not see Bob Marley, then you can come on here and buy an outfit that will change the vibration.
And don't forget the cabanas people. We have cabanas already.
Yeah.
Nice clean cabanas. Let me show you.
Jesus! Oh yeah,
yeah, and these are some waist beads and anklets. Yeah. If you want to feel like Rastafari, see ya? Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. Belt, everything there.
Guys, I'm not sure your name, so you're not going to act the fire.
No, me I don't want to jewelry up on the beach, so you can't miss.
So this is no info, you just add a little extra thing there. Oh, they're very cute too. Look at this. Yeah, I'm not coming out come support the things them now.
Support the local.
Support. I always tell them that. this is about to be the end of your vacation with me. Hit that, guys. I'm not gonna long touch, stretchy touch, right? So it's on the teeth them. Bob Marley Beach are going with itself, so if you're up for a good vibe and a good time, get your friends at your gatherings, carry no igloo, carry no ice. Enough things are going on the beach. Yeah, my advice, come on a Sunday. You can come anytime you want to, but if you want that whole like party vibe experience type of something there, come on a Sunday. If you want more chill, relax, less people, come in at the week. But Sundays are my time, unless it's a holiday or something. But I definitely enjoy myself today. I see the vibes, crowd is nice. I'm always about to tell you that I like the crowd. Yeah, walk with them things them, and if you don't walk with nothing, food still there, restaurants is here, we sell look something for full your belly if you have a drink, or if you just feel like you want to touch your stomach. Yeah, we not have people that sell natural juice, like you can come out here, come get island souvenir, and see the lady before and she telling about the things them. Yeah, Bob Marley Beach is like an experience to me, so yeah, when you come with a cute thing, you know, represent Jamaica if you feel like. I just come regular, it really matter, don't take me serious, it's not that serious, I just some little chat. But anyway, when you can just support the locals, that I really say, spend the money with them, you know, and help them to grow, because you know me more time reason with the locals them, and you hear 1 and 2 story and you know say yeah, think tough and the team rough and them a try to make a hustle, and I better them do that than thief, you know. I better them do that than get themselves in a problem and then think them. Yeah, because we don't know say in the streets it's rough and it's hard. So if you come over here and you can buy one at our one Sam, our one scarf, our one waist bead, yeah, the good things them, our one souvenir for put on the fridge, yeah, can't have to pick up Jamaica, support Jamaica. That is how we're going to build, and that is how we build the people them, that is how we build each other. Yeah, we can't want to support the Chinaman every time and support support Jamaica, so we can build, because my sister out here struggling and we have to find it hard and the things them. Anyways, me are going now. It was a good day, I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed myself this week even more than last week. I don't know why, maybe because I feel like I did more prepared. I'm a batch them did charge, and I did in a good spirit and good vibes. Yes, so I enjoyed this week more. But period, bye. Bye, my nation. I guess I'm gonna close back my chat munch. Bye. Love you, see you in the next week's vlog.